So to start a new site, we just click on the plus here and we open a new blank site from scratch. Now, it's actually not a site yet. We haven't published anything. So let's call this my new site, and this can be my home page. I can change the image. I can select an image from the internet. Let's say okay, here's my background. I can change the size of the banner, so I can make it larger, or I can just have a title without a background. You can change your themes over here. There's not a heck of a lot. Your font style, normal just to go with the default, I guess. Okay, your important stuff is back here. And pages. Let's say we're going to have a new page. We can just click here to add a new page. And we're going to call this my class. Done. Okay, now you'll notice it's just opened a new page up and it's pretty much copied exactly our home page. Okay, same font, same banner. We can change this, but we're going to try inserting a few things. First off, if we're looking for a calendar, we scroll down here and we can click calendar. And all my Google Classroom calendars that from every Google Classroom I've ever had pops up here. Let's just pick one at random. Let's insert that. Okay. Now, there are a couple of different views. In fact, I often put two different calendars next to each other. This is just the agenda. One view, we can change the title, show the date. We've got it on view mode agenda. We can have it on the week. Then it will look like a normal calendar. And you can have an agenda sitting right next to it. You'll see that there's all sorts of other stuff down here that you can insert: docs, slides, sheets, forms, charts, calendar, YouTube videos. You can also embed them using these things up here. You can double click and those functions will open up as well. So if we want to put something in from our drive, we can do so. There's stuff in here that I have that I can insert. In this case, it's a PDF. I can click on Drive and it will bring up all sorts of stuff in my drive that I can insert. The other common thing to do is instead of having a whole heap of stuff that just scrolls down the page, is that we have buttons, and we can make up these buttons, or we can use the templates they've already got. I'll just get out of there. Okay, there's buttons down here. Call it whatever we want. And I link it to this presentation. And there's the button. Okay, these buttons are fairly boring. That's why we'll be looking at making our own slightly more interesting buttons.